Our thesis is entitled Distance Measuring Equipment. It has 3 components: the aircraft, DME station, and the DME display. Ito po yung main switch ng prototype. And this is the fuse. This is the system on and off. Ito po yung toggle switch. A switch used to set if forward or backward po ang pag-move ng aircraft. Ito po yung push button na nagpapagalaw sa aircraft. And lastly, this is the DME display. For the internal components po, gumamit po kami ng 12 volts power supply, distribution board, Arduino, stepper motor controller, stepper motor, reed switches,
and
limit switches. Sa design po ng prototype, may path sa middle na nagmumove ang aircraft towards the DME station. Pwede din po mag-mount ng aircraft and may specific measurement po na lalabas sa LCD display. Distance A is yung path sa nagtatravel ang aircraft and distance B naman po is yung mounted aircraft. This is to show na ang DME po ay nagme-measure ng slant distance ng aircraft in all directions. For the altitude of the aircraft, we will set a specific altitude for about 24,000 feet. Ito po yung nagmo-move na aircraft sa pathway. The path where the aircraft will move from its position to the DME station is about 9 inches. Take note that we will set a distance that for every 1 inch is equivalent to 2 nautical miles. That's why the ground distance from the aircraft to the DME station will be 18 nautical miles or roughly about 109,000 feet in total. For the components, we will use reed switch sapat po na nagtatravel ang aircraft and it serve as a sensor. Kapag nadaanan po ng stick na may magnet yung reed switch, natitrigger po ito and lumalabas po sa DME display yung computed distance sa distance A sa LCD. For the mounted aircraft naman, gumamit po kami ng limit switch. Kapag po na-press yung limit switch gamit yung stick na may aircraft, is lalabas po yung distance B sa LCD. Sa mga metal stick po na nakamount is may mga aircraft po kami na ilalagay gaya ng nasa middle part. Each pole po ay may aircraft and corresponding ground distance and altitude, wherein it will results to different slant distance in each pole. 3.9, 2.9, and 1.9 nautical miles po yung mga altitude na nakaset sa program sa bawat pole na nakamount. We will also put a sticker on the top of the acrylic and label each components to improve the design. Unfortunately, it is not included in the video right now, but rest assured that this will be done in the prototype. Thank you and God bless.